Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Let us dive right into our explainer for today. We are stepping into a modern fairy tale. It is a realm we call the Cyber-Rus. Here, we are going to uncover a truly magical truth about computing power.
In the world of large language models, there is a very stubborn myth. People out there believe Nvidia RTX cards are incredibly fast, but just consume way too much power. Meanwhile, they say Apple chips are slower, but beautifully efficient. Well, today we are going to completely shatter this popular illusion. We are going to reveal the true magic hiding right inside your hardware.
To really understand this myth, we have to look back at the dark ages of standard frameworks. You see, these old systems work inefficiently and just so incredibly slowly. The processor makes 100 separate launches just to create one single token. The video card just constantly waits around, losing precious time. It is a sheer tragedy of wasted potential. This old hardware inefficiency resembles the chaos of ancient scattered tribes. We call it fragmentation. Every single action requires long, completely useless negotiations. The system wastes all of its energy on waiting instead of actually working. It is like a kingdom divided, bleeding away its own power.
But every good fairy tale has a turning point. In the year 862, our ancestors grew tired of chaos and constant infighting, so they made the legendary calling of the Varangians. These mighty warriors brought strict order to the scattered lands. And history is repeating itself right here. Today, the Lu's mega-kernel technology does exactly the same thing for our computers.
The mega-kernel is the great unifier. It takes all 24 neural network layers and beautifully unites them together. The CPU steps back, giving just one single command. From then on, the video card works completely internally without any stops. It entirely eliminates empty waits and those lost microseconds. Moving right into Section 1, weaving complex neural architecture, the magic loom. Just imagine the ethereal goddess Mokosh smoothly weaving glowing golden threads into an unbreakable pattern. That is exactly how data flows through the Qwen model. This vast model holds 8 billion parameters. It features highly complex hybrid layers, mixing linear and full attention. The mega-kernel handles all this complexity with absolute grace, without a single delay. Now for Section 2, building the Bogatyr outpost, the modern home server. We deployed this mighty system on an Ubuntu operating system. We built our very own digital fortress, guarded by our faithful cyber spirit, Domovoy. And the crucial treasure hidden inside this outpost is a truly powerful Nvidia RTX card. It holds a massive 48 gigabytes of VRAM. This is the beating heart of our digital warrior.
This brings us to Section 3, breaking speed and energy records, the epic battle.
Think of our new system as the winged cyber dog Samargl. It is rapid and fierce. It is facing off against the old framework, which is just a slow, clumsy stone giant. And Samargl easily overtakes the giant. Context reading speed grew by a staggering 17.5 times. Just imagine reading a gigantic library of ancient scrolls 17 times faster. Let us look at the raw numbers behind this epic victory. The old framework lumbered along, thinking about the prompt for 428 milliseconds. But the mega-kernel processed that exact same prompt in a blistering 24 milliseconds. That is a massive, undisputed defeat. 24 milliseconds. That is pure technological magic right there. In the blink of an eye, the system understood the complex prompt and was completely ready to act. There is no more waiting. It is just pure, unleashed speed. Even better, token generation became 25 times faster. It reached an astounding 340 tokens in a single second. This is a fantastic, almost unbelievable result. It transforms a simple home server into an absolute powerhouse. But you might be wondering, what is the truth about real energy efficiency? Speed is wonderful, but does it come at a terrible cost? We must weigh the results carefully, just like golden scales of justice floating right over a stone altar. Well, here is the absolute truth. The RTX card breaks all existing records. It easily beats the highly praised Apple M5 Max. you actually get way more tokens for every single joule of energy spent. Our shining bowl of efficiency easily outweighs their mountain of dull stones. So we finally see the truth behind this stubborn myth. High power consumption was never a hardware problem. It was simply an artifact of bad software. Proper, beautifully woven code unlocks the true hidden power of the hardware. It gives us a perfect balance of raw strengths and economy. We have proven that the right approach solves any problem. Artificial intelligence is becoming incredibly fast and accessible to everyone. These mighty sovereign technologies are working right in our own homes. Please make sure to subscribe to our updates and become a channel sponsor so we can continue exploring this magic together. The bright future is already here, and it works perfectly on our server. So the only question is, will you be ready to awaken the dormant magic hidden inside your own machines?